In a lively village between green hills, Roohan celebrated Eid ul-Fitr by embracing community and generosity. On the second day, under golden sunlight, he arranged a grand feast for the villagers, filling the air with the rich aroma of traditional dishes. As evening fell, the courtyard of the mosque came alive with laughter and warmth. Villagers, dressed in their finest, gathered to share in the joy of togetherness. Roohan welcomed everyone, speaking of charity and unity, echoing Prophet Muhammad's peace be upon him teachings. Dinner was served, stories were exchanged, and new bonds formed. As the night ended, hearts were full, and the village stood more united than before. Roohan's celebration was a reminder that true wealth lies in kindness and shared joy.